The Harvest Festival is a first-time celebration of the fall season in downtown Bowling Green, and it's going to include a lot of activities put on by several collaborators, including Soki Marketplace, Bowling Green Parks and Recreation, the Kiwanis Club, Neighborhood Community Services, Warren County Government, and several other local nonprofits who are coming together for Harvest Festival just to celebrate the season and to promote our downtown in Bowling Green.
The Harvest Festival is an event for all ages, from kids to the older generation. There's a little toot train ride, there was a pumpkin patch, each family can come out. There were tons of photo opportunities, Lost River sessions, s'more pit. We even had a zombie walk this year.
One of the things that I have told some folks before about how Harvest Festival came together this year is I feel like this is sort of the local equivalent of the Fable of Stone Soup. And by that I mean we have all these different community partners coming together, each with their own assets, each with their own special things to bring to the table and bring to the event. And because we're all bringing what we have, then the overall festival itself becomes better than just the sum of those individual parts. And so for us, it was a really good opportunity to get to know some of these community partners, the work that they do, the things that they offer to the community, and to hopefully build on those relationships going forward in a way that makes our overall community even better.
We hope to continue this community-based event year after year, hopefully around the first 2 weeks of October.